Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down design tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a fundamental skill in Figma: how to duplicate elements like a pro in the 2025 update. Whether you're a beginner designer or a seasoned pro, duplicating can save you tons of time, so let's dive right in. First, fire up your Figma workspace and open the file you're working on. Make sure you're in the correct frame or page. To start duplicating, simply select the element you want to copy. Could be a layer, a shape, or even a whole group. Just click on it, and you'll see it highlighted. Now, for the quickest method, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+D, and on Mac, it's Command+D instantly. A duplicate will appear right next to the original. It's that simple, but if you're more of a mouse person, right-click on the selected element, and from the context menu, choose Duplicate. This works great for one-off copies. What about duplicating multiple items at once? Hold down the Shift key to select several elements, then use the same shortcut or right-click option. In the 2025 Figma update, they've added some neat features, like duplicating with custom offsets. To access that, go to the top menu, click Edit, and select Duplicate for more advanced settings, such as positioning the copy exactly where you want it. A few pro tips to keep in mind. If you make a mistake, hit Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on Mac to undo. Also, after duplicating, rename your layers right away to stay organized. It's a game changer for complex projects. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now a duplicating expert in Figma 2025. This little trick can seriously boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments what Figma topic you'd like next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.